Hello guys, welcome back to Pink Pillow Talk. I'm actually going to talk about something that no one really talks about these second piercings and third piercings. They're so hot now, but no one tells you little tips and hacks on how to get over this recovery that supposedly, hopefully not, will take 6 months to a year. No. That's not going to work for me. I can't. I'm sorry. That's not going to work. So I have tips and hacks on how to get through this intense moment. Anyways, guys, I don't edit my films. I don't edit my videos. So it is what it is. If I mess up, let's just go through with me, guys. Let's ride those waves together, okay? Anyways, guys, let me show you my piercings, okay? Oh my gosh. Look at that one. It is so hot. Don't mind these nails, please. And look at those two. Okay, they're all new. Yep. All new. They're a week to 2 weeks old, okay? So now, it did not hurt. It was amazing. What hurts is when you have to hug people. They don't tell you don't hug people. They don't tell you don't kiss people hello. That's what hurts, because somebody's hair is going to get stuck in it, or they're going to hug you so tight that it moves, which is what happened to me, and it gushes blood and it hurts, and you do not want it to get infected. I do not want a huge keloid up there. So don't hug people, don't say hello unless you warn them. If you're with your husband or whatever, be listen, boo, just be careful. Okay, you see someone, the first thing you say is, oh, just be careful, my ear, you'll be in good hands. So always mention that. Okay, next, your hair. Don't leave your hair down, at least not for the first month. Your hair gets tangled up in there, okay? That hurts. Put your hair up, okay? Don't wear your hair down unless you straighten it and it's straight. But when you have curls, it curls up in there and that hurts, okay? So a little ponytail like this is fine. It's away from the ear, okay? But other than that, we're not getting into that. We are definitely not going to wear our hair down or half up, half down. Now, to clean, don't touch it, don't turn it, leave it alone, forget about it. Forget. Don't. It hurts, forget about it, it'll go away. The best thing to do is to spray it with piercing aftercare. You can totally get this on Amazon, okay? $14 or the small one for $10. I will link it below. Super easy. Plug your ear. You don't want this getting in your ear just because it's annoying, not for any health reasons. And you just go ahead and spray it. Okay, and it feels divine. It feels so nice. So that's what you do so that you keep it safe. I do this 5 times a day. But if you don't have time for that, do it at least 2 to 3 times, at least, okay? So now, sleeping. People are I lost sleep over this. What do you mean you lost sleep over it? What do you mean? I mean, you can't lie down on it. You can't turn your head on the pillow because every angle touches it. I mean, what? I can't lose sleep over this. I'm a busy woman. So I did some research. You know, one of these that you use for an airplane, or maybe a bus ride. So this actually helps. Let's say you want to turn and sleep on your side. You maneuver your ear in the middle. You turn the pillow around and you sleep, okay? And you sleep and you're fine. And you want to turn around on the other side. If you got a piercing on the other side, which I don't suggest, do it one at a time. But if you do, you go ahead and you use it here and there. Same with sleeping on your back. You sleep on your back. You put your head down, you turn right, you turn left, it won't hurt. When you're sleeping on a pillow, the pillow poofs up, and if you turn, it will hurt. It will, and it will. Okay, but with these pillows over here, these little airplane pillows, neck pillows, whatever they're called, you just go ahead and sleep and you'll have an amazing sleep. Okay, guys? This is intense. This is a lot of research, a lot of thought went into this. So please learn from me and not learn the hard way. Why? Why do you gotta learn the hard way? If you guys want to talk about your piercing, if you guys want to have any questions about them, please comment below. If you want to maybe understand, if you're thinking about it, please comment below. I will definitely get into it with you guys. We can have a whole discussion. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Miss you guys. Till next week.